Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha today inaugurated the 36th annual conference of the Northeast branch of the Association of Otorhinolaryngologists at Pragya Bhawan, using the platform to underscore the state government's commitment to advancing healthcare services. Dr. Saha officially opened the conference by lighting the ceremonial lamp. During his address, the Chief Minister highlighted several recent achievements and ongoing initiatives in the state's healthcare sector, particularly concerning the Agartala Government Medical College and GB Hospital. Dr. Saha announced that 5 successful kidney transplant operations have already been performed at GB Hospital. To further expand specialized services, the state has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Mohan Foundation for future liver and heart transplantations at GB Hospital. The hospital currently houses 9 super specialty departments, with plans to launch an additional 3 to 4 such departments soon. GB Hospital currently has a capacity of 1,400 beds. The State Health Department recently signed an MoU with AIIMS New Delhi to strengthen medical cooperation and services. The Chief Minister also noted that Sija Hospital from Manipur recently laid the foundation stone for its new hospital within the state.
Of various central government health programs, infant mortality rates in the state have declined. Maternal mortality has also decreased compared to the national average. The state has also achieved success in tuberculosis elimination or eradication and vaccination program against other diseases. At present, telemedicine services are being prioritized by the government as one of the most significant aspects of modern healthcare. Trauma care centers have been launched in most of the district hospitals, and soon the North district hospitals we are going to start. Under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, as you know, our target was 100%, so that we have achieved. And the claims amounting to approximately rupees 250.47 crores have been settled. Likewise, we have started the Chief Minister Jan Arogya Yojana. So in that also we have settled about 26.10 crore. In 2024-25, a total of 1,128 Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers are operational in the state. Under Prime Minister Divine, the 3 major projects have been approved for the improvement of state's healthcare infrastructure. Rupees 202 crore allocated for the construction of Agartala Government Dental College. Rupees 192 crore allocated for the establishment of a 200-bed mother and child health block at AGMC GBP Hospital. Rupees 129.90 crore allocated for setting up a de-addiction center at December. Additionally, 50-bed de-addiction centers will be established sequentially in all 8 districts of the state, which we have already in budget session we have declared. To enhance ophthalmic services, plans are underway to establish 100-bed tertiary eye care hospitals in Agartala. I hope this conference will not only focus on discussions regarding the advancement of medical sciences, but also play a significant role in shaping future direction. Finally, I once again express my heartfelt thanks to everyone and wish this conference a grand success. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much.
The inauguration ceremony was also attended by Health Department Secretary Kiran Git, GB Hospital MS Dr. Shankar Chakravarti, and other dignitaries. The event concluded with the felicitation of several distinguished ENT surgeons. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.